Hey, two shorties! Hi! We're at Lewis's track meet, and Lewis is like, I think, Lewis is right, he's walking on that one. He's not even running yet. No. And then this is the crew we're hanging out with. Say hi, guys! I don't know them. I wish I did it. I don't. We went to the Chinese store. He said, I want orange chicken. And, okay, he got us our food. And when we came back here, look what he got. Look what he got. Chicken. I said orange chicken.
No,
like, W-T. What the f***?
I'm gonna stick to gymnastics.
So, yeah. And then I tried reasoning with them, but they're being buttholes, so
I tried to
I don't know what to do. Say hi, guys!
Hi, Mom!
Say hi to YouTube, guys.
Hi, YouTube! What's that? You can suck me,
Hi, guys!
I believe you, that's why. Ah. What's up? YouTube can be my friend. I'm not gonna say it.
I think they're starting. I don't know. Anybody see Lewis? Anybody?
Wrong direction.
Do you guys see Lewis anywhere?
Starter guns for everybody.
Myra eating chicken wings. Yeah, she want orange chicken, but too bad. And Josh, you remember him from KFC shop thingy. You gotta.
I'm new.
This is Zaire.
Everybody calls me terrorist of Iraq because I'm Indian. Peace for my country.
Yeah. Meet our friends. Meet our friends. We are. It's kind of a shame that we know these people. Oh, it's not like you're special. I got this. No, I got Christopher. I know that. Oh, my name. Well, going out.
Oh my God.
What game are you in?
Hi, Mom.